Hello, Forex traders. Lenka Taylor here from FX to Freedom. Now, let's have a look at price action. Not just any price action, though. Let's have a look at strong price action that we can use as confirmation for an entry to a trade that will be profitable. So there are many candlestick patterns that we can look at. Now, my favorite ones are Pinbars and engulfing bars. But by far, my most favorite is the engulfing. So I will give you a couple of examples. So a pin bar is usually a long bar with a little body and a large tail. It can be going this way, or it can be going this way. Now, these are very easy to spot, and if used in the direction of the trend, can be great for the price entry for profitable trades. Let's clear that. Okay. But my most favorite is the bullish engulfing. So a bullish engulfing or a bearish engulfing candle is a two-pattern candle. So usually you have a small candle on day one, and then you have a large candle which engulfs the smaller candle on day two. And this can be in either direction. If the candle has opened low, has gone down, then gone up and closed off higher than the previous day small candle, doesn't matter what that one is, then that candle is called a bullish engulfing because it's going up. If it's in the opposite, so the price opens high, goes really higher that day, and then comes all the way down and finishes low, then that's called a bearish engulfing candle. And those candle patterns, the two bar patterns, are a great entry for profitable trades. So let's have a look if we can spot some on this chart. So I've got one here. So let's zoom in so we can see those candles a little bit more clearly. Okay, so we have a bullish engulfing setup here. So we have a smaller candle and one that engulfs that candle in the upward direction. So this one would be called a bullish engulfing pattern. So looking further on the chart, okay, there's one over here. So this one is also an engulfing pattern because we have the first candle is small, the second candle is larger. Because it's a candle going down, then that's a bearish engulfing pattern. So that's bearish engulfing there. Now let's clear that. And what else can we spot? Okay, right over here, there is a small candle and a large candle. So these two candles have the bullish engulfing pattern. So one small candle and the second engulfs, and it's a lot larger. Obviously going in the upward direction, it's a bullish candle. All right, let's have a look what else we have. There is actually another bullish engulfing here. So we have a smaller candle and then one that engulfs or is larger than the previous one. That one is going in the upward direction, so that's a bullish engulfing. We've got another one here. So we've got a smaller candle and then a larger candle that engulfs the previous day's one, being in the downward direction. And this is a bearish engulfing candle pattern. Let's clear that. And I'll just move the chart, see if there's anything else. Let's have a look. So here we had a bullish engulfing. So again, a smaller candle and a larger candle engulfing the previous day's one. Here, there is another setup. So that's a smaller one and an engulfing candle going in the downward direction. That's a bearish engulfing. And also we have one here. So we have a smaller setup and a larger candle going in the downward direction, and that's a bearish engulfing. So looking at those kind of bars around significant support and resistance levels, those are the types of setups that would be quite profitable majority of the time. Thank you for watching. Have a tremendous trading day.